Good morning. It's what is it? September something. We got supercharged Ecotec. Let me zoom out. Supercharged Ecotec is out of the corner. The old engine's out. Like before, I think we're getting ready to install this. We need a new top stud from here. This stud's okay. We didn't break this. This was off when we bought the engine. And yeah, this bottom stud, we need one of those. So we only have 2 studs so far. So, last night, I actually didn't film a lot. I haven't been filming a lot with this build, so pardon me. I'll try to film more when we do more with this, but last night we took this pressure plate off to check the condition of the clutch. This is actually a stage. This is not better. It had a stage 3 pressure plate in before, but it didn't have this thing. And the pilot bearing rides on this thing right here. So you need that. Let's see if we can go find the old pressure plate. It's gonna be. I don't know where it is right now. But yeah, let me get that old clutch and you can see the condition of it. So this was the old clutch right here, and it was cracked straight down the middle right here. And if you look, it's so thinned out. There's not a lot of meat on there. So this condition of this clutch is awful. This came with the engine when we bought it, so I mean, it's really crappy, and this has got a giant crack down the middle. You can see it's on both sides, but there's a lot of wear on that. And then we had this clutch. As you can tell, it's got a lot of meat on it, but if you look at it, it's bowed. So if you do this, and you flip this one, and you look at both of them, this one's got a gap. This one doesn't. This one is bowed in from pushing the pedal too down far. So both of these are garbage, junk. So yeah, this one is total junk. This one actually came in. If you look, it's just totally nasty. So we're glad we took that out. We actually got a new clutch in there, and then an older pressure plate in there, but it's still basically new. I don't know anything about this flywheel. There's not much numbers on it. If you know what kind of flywheel they put on these Playtech supercharged 2.4 liters, comment below. Kennedy adapter plate. This is stage 2. Kennedy. Sorry, I got a brain fart. Yeah, this is a stage 2 pressure plate with the I don't know if there's different stage clutches. So let's see if there's any number writing on this, because if you have a stage 3 on a stage, this is Kennedy adapter plates, and then this one's not. But yeah, this one would be in good condition, but it's bowed. I don't know. Both of these are very, very weird. And then inside, if you look inside of there, it has it doesn't have a ball bearing. It's got a roller bearings. But if you look inside of this one, there's the old pressure plate, like I was saying. So this is a stage 3 pressure plate, which is also Kennedy engines. Let's see. It says stage 3. Oh yeah, right here, stage 3 on there. So, but it doesn't have the thing in the middle where the pilot bearing rides on. So, or pilot bearing, throw-up bearing rides on. Oh, but it's a pilot bearing twice. But yeah, inside here you can barely see it, but this is a ball bearing. Right here, this is a ball bearing, like, and the other one is a roller bearing. So there's some differences, which is kind of confusing. So I don't know if you guys know anything about these Playtec engines. Let me know. And yeah. So let's look at the fabrication we've done so far. So we lifted the gas tank and we flipped this bar, and the supercharger should just come in right here. So then we mounted this battery. Sorry for the messy wires and whatnot. This battery plate was flipped. This is where the intercooler goes, right here and right there. And then it's just braced by one of these bars, connected to the radiator mount, which connects to the radiator, which is a lot. So so this was a 4-seater, and it had not a bench seat, but 2 small beard kid seats, and it was kind of small. I could barely fit in there, and it was too small. My sister is the only one who could kind of fit in there. But yeah, so now it's a 2-seater. There's the intercooler.
Eventually,
we got the cage back on. So the cage came back on. So you actually have for this to go onto there, you actually have to tap these, and we had to tap make threads, tap them, and got these in. I wish I would have filmed that, but my phone died. Let's see what else is there. So this is actually it in the engine bay. It's pretty tight from here to here. If you look, let's see. If you look right here, the bar for try to get better view. This bar right here, and is really close to this. So we're gonna have to get one of those air cleaners with an L bracket, and just have it right here. And then all that stuff. I already explained that. I don't think you want to hear it again, but yeah. This project's almost done, just tedious stuff, and then I guess first time.